Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to archive a post on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Archiving is a simple way to hide a post from your timeline without deleting it, giving you the option to bring it back anytime you want. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet and log in if needed. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your personal profile page. This is where all your posts, stories, and other updates are displayed. Next, scroll down your timeline and find the post you want to archive. It could be an old photo, a status update, or anything you've shared that you'd like to remove from public view without permanently deleting it. Once you've found that post, look in the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is your options menu. Tap the 3 dots and a list of actions will appear. From there, choose the option labeled Move to Archive. Facebook will immediately move that post into your archive folder, making it invisible to anyone other than you. After archiving, your post stays saved privately. You can revisit it anytime by going to your profile, tapping the menu icon, and selecting Archive. From there, you can view all your archived posts and even restore any of them to your timeline when you're ready. It's a neat way to manage your content and keep your feed clean without losing memories. That's all it takes. Just 3 quick steps. Open your profile, tap the 3 dots on the post, and select Move to Archive. It's easy, it's fast, and it keeps your posts safe and organized. Thanks for watching.